Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of y'all have been asking me for a hair care routine, but instead of that I thought I'll share a few tips that you can do to achieve beautiful hair. And all these things I do personally as well. And if you follow them regularly, you're going to notice a huge difference really soon. Deep condition your hair. I don't mean oil your hair regularly like every day or something. Oil your hair, like deep condition your hair at least once a week or once in 2 weeks. You can use oil treatments or hair masks like banana hair mask or something like that. Do not use chemical mask. I do not recommend it. So I'm going to upload a fruit hair mask, that's a banana hair mask video next. But that takes time, and the oil treatment is much faster to do, and you can watch it in my how to grow your hair long video, and I'm going to link it in the description below, and you can click the eye that pops up on the screen and it will take you there. So if you do that, you're going to get really beautiful hair. Don't use too much product. So personally, I only use a shampoo, a conditioner and a hair serum. And sometimes, very rarely, a leave-in conditioner. That's it. Apart from all the oiling that I do, natural oils, I only use these 3 chemical products on my hair. I do not use anything else. Because at the end, whatever benefit it claims to give your hair, it is a chemical product. And while giving your hair some benefit, it's probably taking out something else from your hair. So that's why avoid chemical products. Protect your hair from the sun. So just like you apply sunscreen on your face or on your skin to protect it from the sun, similarly you should apply something on your hair. I personally use a hair serum, or you can also cover your hair with a scarf or something like that. But a hair serum works fine, it does the job. Don't comb wet hair. I mentioned this in probably my last 2 videos, but wet hair causes a lot of breakage because your hair is weak when it is wet. And if at all you have to go out or you're in a hurry or something and you have to comb your hair, then make sure you use a hair product before you do so. You can use a leave-in conditioner or a serum. My personal favorite is the leave-in conditioner by BBlunt. And when you comb your hair, whether it is wet or dry, this leads me to the next tip. Always comb it from bottom up. So you start by combing it from the bottom and make sure you hold your hair so that there's no breakage from top, and then you slowly move up, and then you can start combing it from your scalp. And this, you might think it takes a lot of time, but actually takes lesser time. Comb your hair at the right time. So usually we just comb our hair to untangle it, but you should be combing your hair every night. That is, comb it from the scalp, comb it down bottom to top, but then comb it on your scalp as well. This distributes the natural oil that's there in your scalp, and this nourishes your hair follicles and also helps in hair growth. So comb your hair before you sleep, and then to untangle it whenever you want to, and comb it in the morning when you wake up. So these are the 2 best times that you should comb your hair. Change your shampoo. So a lot of people don't agree with this particular tip, but it works for me. So what I do is, I change my shampoo every 2 months. That doesn't mean I just go on buying different shampoos. I select 2 shampoos and conditioners, obviously. 2 shampoos that work the best for me. For example, shampoo A and shampoo B. So for 2 months I use shampoo A, in the next 2 months I use shampoo B. And then again, the next 2 months I come back to shampoo A. Next 2 months I go back to shampoo B. So on and so forth. So select like 2 shampoos that work the best for you and do this. Because when you're using the same shampoo for a long time, your hair adapts to it, and it you wouldn't feel the same like you did when you first used it. So yeah, that's why I change my shampoos, but you can totally not follow this tip if you want, but it works for me. Do not wash your hair with hot water. Cold water is the best for your hair, but if you do not prefer cold water, you can use warm water, but never use hot water for your hair. I'm recording a video, so I'll call you sometime, okay? 10 minutes. Bye. I forgot which tip I was on. End your hair wash with a cold rinse. What this means is, if you wash your hair with warm water or even like semi-cold water, make sure at the end, that's like the last 10 seconds of your hair wash, you use extremely cold water. What this does is locks in the moisture in your hair and also makes it look really shiny. Air dry your hair. What I mean by air drying is not using a blow dryer. So you just leave your hair to dry. You can use a towel if you want to, but otherwise just leave your hair, and only after it's completely dried you can comb it. Towel dry your hair the right way. So when you use a towel to dry your hair, don't rub your hair like so. Make sure you just dab your hair with the towel slowly. And if you have a towel that's very rough, you can use a t-shirt, because a t-shirt will cause minimum damage to your hair. So use a t-shirt or use a towel, but do not rub your hair. It's going to cause a lot of breakage, plus your hair is wet, so that causes further breakage and further damage. Eat nutritious food. When you eat food with high protein and a lot of veggies, it's going to affect your hair as well. Your hair will start looking much more beautiful because your hair gets nutrients from your body and your body gets nutrients from your food. Make sure you eat nutritious food and avoid junk. Drink a lot of water. So just like you keep your body hydrated, you need to keep your hair hydrated as well. And this will reduce dryness and frizziness in your hair. So make sure you drink a lot of water. Guys, these are all the things I do to achieve hair like this, and if you try them too, I know your hair is going to get much better and look much prettier than it already is. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new here. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.